Hello! Are you wondering what makes Backcountry Staples different from other quick cooking, adventure ready meals? Keep watching to find out. There are two classic product categories when it comes to adventure-ready meals. On one side, you have grocery store staples like this oatmeal packet, and on the other side, you have freeze-dried, cook-in-the-bag backpacking meals. I've taken both on trips before, but have never felt like either option meets all of my personal expectations. So what are the problems? Let's start with this oatmeal packet from the grocery store. What I love about it is its lightweight, compact packaging, and inexpensive price point. However, there's a lot more things I don't like about it. The flavors are boring, there's lots of added sugar, and there's few clean, exciting ingredients. Additionally, the packets are not very filling or nutritionally balanced. In comparison, your typical freeze-dried backpacking meal is pretty tasty and well thought out from a nutrition standpoint. But it is also fairly expensive and comes in heavy, bulky packaging. The packaging allows for boiling water to be poured in, which in certain situations can be useful. However, more often than not, I talk to people who prefer to eat their meals out of a bowl, pot, mug, or thermos. Years ago, I started making my own meals for backcountry trips using simple, thoughtful ingredients. I packaged the meals in Ziploc baggies and over time shared them with many friends. The reaction was always positive, and it gave me the confidence to work on starting Backcountry Staples. My vision for Backcountry Staples is simple: thoughtfully wholesome meals for backcountry adventures and everyday life on the go. Why both? Because whether you are on a multi-day backpacking trip, traveling, or just headed to the office, your meal requirements are essentially the same: tasty, healthy, and convenient. I want to make a new product category that combines the best parts of grocery store staples and freeze-dried backpacking meals. Our meals meet all of my expectations. They are gluten-free, plant-based, nutritionally balanced, and reasonably priced. The recipes are uniquely flavorful and feature lots of clean, delicious ingredients. Furthermore, our meals are compatible with Thermos Cooking. If you're not familiar with the convenience of Thermos Cooking, you're missing out. Thermos Cooking is an incredibly versatile, efficient way to prepare warm meals on the go. You simply combine the Backcountry Staples meal and boiling water in a food thermos. Wait the specified amount of time, and then enjoy a warm meal anywhere. What do you think of my vision for reinventing adventure-ready meals? I'd really love to hear from you. Also, please check out our complete breakfast starter kit, which includes 4 oatmeal breakfasts, 4 buckwheat breakfasts, and a Thermos Cooking kit. Thank you for watching, and happy adventures!